Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Studies. My name is Nipun and I'm a second year medical student at BSA Medical College, Delhi. I have been meaning to make a review and unboxing video for eGurukul 2.0 notes for a very long time now. The notes were delivered to me yesterday, so looks like my wait is finally over. So without wasting any more time, let us get straight to it. I have already sanitized the box of my notes because it is very important to take precautions nowadays. Just look at the hilarious caricature on this box. It says, "Note से डर नहीं लगता साहब, नीट से लगता है." But I am pretty sure that after reading these notes, हमें नीट से भी डर नहीं लगेगा. I've been using these notes for quite a few days now, and I would like to tell you that I am just loving them. Here are some of the reasons why. Here we have Pathology 2.0 Part 1. On the left side you can see our guru, Dr. Praveen Kumar Gupta. He is an amazing teacher. These notes are personalized notes to his lectures only. There is a table of content given in every module that is extremely detailed. The first thing that you will see after opening these notes is the beautifully used handwritten font. It just makes you feel like you know these notes already. Being a day scholar, I miss several of my DBMCI live classes, and due to the lack of time, I am also unable to make my own handwritten notes regularly. So I used these notes with the eGurukul app, and I got to know that these notes cover 95% of the video lectures content. So I don't have to spend my time writing from the scratch. Instead, I can just listen to the video carefully and add the points that are not there in the notes. These notes have active spaces in which you can write down any necessary information that you find important for your studies. You can also write down active recall questions in these spaces or the things that you do not remember. It is your personalized space. We have been provided with timestamps of every topic in these notes. These prove to be very important when you have to prepare for an exam or you just want to look for a few topics to learn. You can just see their timestamps and skip directly to the part of the video instead of searching the entire video for that topic you want to revise or learn. The paper quality in these notes is also amazing. You can easily write on them with a pen or a pencil and highlight the notes very easily. Hand-drawn diagrams are very essential for a better learning, and these notes are full of them. The notes have simplified versions of complex book figures. This helps us to remember the bookish figures without any hassle and helps us to score more in exams. The important points are written in different color in order to enable you to revise them right before the exam. These images have been made available in 2 times HD resolution, which helps in clear understanding, and these images are very well annotated, which makes it clear and easy to understand. These notes have previously asked exam questions, which is good for the understanding of the pattern of questions asked, and they are given with a proper explanation and appropriate images. These notes also have vertical integration between the different year subjects for better concepts, as shown in the video Ophthalmology and PSM, Ophthalmology and PSM NPCB, Ophthalmology and Medicine, and many more.
Be sure to tell me your take on these notes, whether you are planning on buying them or you have already bought them, and if you like them or not. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and share it with your friends. You can also apply my coupon code CLINICAL to get a catchy discount on the notes. Click the description down below to find the link.